PHP class. I am Professor Bosco from VCA department, Sacred College. So today we are going to see about comments used in PHP. There are two types of comments we use in PHP. One is single line comment, another one is multi-line comments. So single line is used like this. Now double slash. So this is single line comment. This is the comment like this given. So another one is multi-line comment. So I have to use slash star and you have a set of comments and you have to close with the reverse order. Star again and a slash. So these comments are used for programmers. So whenever a program is written, so we use different logic inside the program. So we want to explain to another programmer why this line is used, why this variable is declared, why this function is created. So all these details are not able to explain in person with a particular developer. So to explain all these details, we use comments. So when you type a comment, the programmer, the coder, the developer will understand the purpose of particular line. So having comments is very useful for the developers to have better understanding of coding. So if you keep on writing a coding without any comments, the code will be looking very confusing for the developer, because we need to understand why these coding are developed. Suppose if you want to check, if you want to read two variables, so you need to mention I am using this code to read variable A, next variable B. So I am going to add these two variables, so adding to this variable. So all these are made between these comments. So example, so I will type here, so just making the comment, so single line comment, double slash, so reading value of A. This is a comment. So next, I make a comment, reading of, so reading value of B. So this is the statement just to explain the coding. So in the output, this will not come in the output statement. Do you understand? Example, I type the reading value of A, reading value of B. These statements will not be displayed in the output. This is just for understanding what the developer is thinking and what the developer is used for this variable. Why the developer is choose A, why the developer is choosing B. So all these are made with the comments. So comment is just to read, not to give any outputs. So these statements will not be printed in your output screen. This is just for like explanations. So explanations will not be printed in the output. So like this, there is a multi-line comment, that is slash star followed by the comment, whatever comment you like. So there is no limit, you can type whatever content you like. So you can type your comments like this. So multi-line you can type, not only single line. So when you are using double slash is for single line, and you use this for multi-line. So there is another single line comment also available, that is you can use hashtag, adding two values. So this hashtag is also a single line comment used to give detail to the developer about the coding. So no need of getting confused in the comments. Comments are just comments which is not going to print any data in your output screen. It is just going to help the developer, the project manager, because you will be working in a company for some times, then you will move on to the next company. So your coding will be in your previous company. So next person who comes after you, so he will be understanding your coding, because you have given a lot of comments about your coding, so he will easily understand about each and every line of your coding. So for making better understanding, we use comments in PHP language. In all the languages